Is your Windows PC feeling sluggish? Is your C drive red and full? Before you download sketchy third-party cleaners, you need to try this. This is Microsoft PC Manager. It is a free official tool from Microsoft designed to boost performance, clean storage, and manage your apps without the bloatware. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, its best features, and why it's basically the God mode for Windows maintenance. Let's start with installing it. You can download Microsoft PC Manager directly from the Microsoft Store or the official Microsoft website. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and installation only takes a moment. Once it's installed, open it up and you'll see a clean and simple interface that's really easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. The first section we're looking at is the Home tab. Here you can immediately see your memory usage and temporary files. This gives you a real-time look at what's slowing your computer down. And right in the center, there's a big blue boost button. This is one of the most useful features. If your PC starts lagging while gaming, editing videos, browsing with too many tabs, or running heavy apps, simply click the boost button. Within seconds, it clears temporary files and releases RAM. You don't need to restart, and you'll notice the difference right away. It's perfect when your computer feels sluggish. Next, we move to the Health Check feature. This runs a full scan for junk files, unnecessary background items, cache data, and even basic security issues. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of things you can safely remove. The best part is that it knows what Windows needs to function, so it won't delete anything important. Just click Proceed, and you instantly free up space and remove hidden clutter that you normally wouldn't find on your own. Now let's talk about one of the most valuable sections: storage management. If your C drive is full, if Windows updates keep failing, or if programs won't install, this is where you want to focus. In storage management, you'll see Deep Cleanup, which searches for old update files and system leftovers that can take up several gigabytes. Cleaning these can create a lot of space quickly. There's also Manage Large Files, which scans your PC for big files like videos, installers, archives, and forgotten downloads. Instead of searching manually through folders, you can view them here and delete what you no longer need with one click. After that, we go to the Apps section. If you've ever opened Task Manager and felt overwhelmed by all the processes, this makes it simple. Process Management shows which apps are using RAM in the background, and you can close them instantly. This is great when your computer feels slow, even though you aren't running anything. There's also Startup Apps, where you can stop programs from launching automatically when you turn on your PC. Reducing startup items dramatically speeds up boot time and makes your PC feel brand new when you log in. Next is the Protection section. This works alongside Windows Defender to scan for threats, manage browser protection, and give you a direct shortcut to Windows updates. Everything is in one place, so you don't have to search through system settings. Finally, there's the Toolbox. When you enable it, a small floating toolbar appears on your desktop with useful shortcuts: Screenshot, Screen Recorder, Notepad, Calculator, and more. It's a nice productivity feature, especially if you do work, study, gaming, or content creation. So why should you use Microsoft PC Manager instead of other tools? First, it's lightweight and doesn't slow your PC down. Second, it's safe because it's made by Microsoft. No ads, no data collection, no risks. Third, it's completely free with all features included. No upgrade buttons, no locked options, no premium subscription tricks. If you are a gamer, a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a smoother and faster computer, Microsoft PC Manager is a must-have. Try it, and you'll notice an immediate improvement in performance, storage space, and responsiveness. Let me know in the comments. What feature impressed you the most? Boost, storage cleanup, startup control, or the Toolbox? And if you want more Windows optimization guides, tutorials, and fixes, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.